What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Daily Porcupine, your ultimate Kotoko fan channel. If you're new here, you know what to do, subscribe and hit that notification bell. My name is Clinton and I'm your host for today. Now, Kotoko have announced that the players are to return to camp on Thursday, that's tomorrow, in Kumasi actually, and they haven't, that's the thing I noticed, that they haven't fixed a date to resume preseason training. They have told them to return to Kumasi to prepare for the preseason, but they haven't fixed a date for that preseason. Do you know why they did that? Because they are not sure if Barreto will come back and continue, because they report that Kotoko can't pay his contract off. They can't pay the 1 year left of his contract. Like, they can't pay him off to tell him like terminate his contract and pay him off. They can't do that, so they want him to come back and continue at the club. That's what reports are stating, but I am not sure, because I feel that majority of Kotoko board wants Barreto to step down to leave the club ahead of next season. So Kotoko are yet to fix a date for the preseason, because they are waiting, or they are looking to resolve the head coach position before they start preseason, because they want the coach to be with the boys when the preseason starts. And that is very good, because if preseason starts without the coach, it wouldn't make sense. And because the coach will start implementing his strategy and his style and his philosophy starting from the preseason. So if they start without a coach, I don't think it's a good idea. I don't think it's happened anywhere else. I think the coach should be there to follow the boys as they prepare for the preseason. So that is why Kotoko haven't fixed a date for the preseason, but the players are to return on Thursday. Now, if Barreto returns, I don't think the boys will be eager to impress him. So I think it's just, why not just let him go, because he's falling out with few of the players that are still currently in the club. Some players that he talked about that they are not committed enough to be at the club, that their focus level wasn't the way he expected and they were distracting the team. They're still at the club. So if Barreto comes back, I don't think the players will be eager enough to give him his best. I think it will continue from where he stops, and the player would be playing to sabotage him so that he'll get the sack eventually. So I think bring him back is a very bad idea. In my own opinion, I think bringing back Barreto is a very bad idea. Bad idea for the club, bad idea for the fans, and also bad idea for the players, because the players definitely want a new challenge. So bring a new coach, Prosperity, anyone, I don't know. They talk about Pia, Prosperity, and now Akonnor. Yes, Akonnor was sacked by the Ghana Black Stars. I was asking the fans if they will be willing to get Akonnor at Kotoko, if they're willing to take him back as a head coach at Kotoko. Majority of them said no, but few of them said yes. He's the person that took us to the group stages of CAF competition last, so I think he has the experience. He can come here and force the boys and take us far in the Ghana Premier League. But I think it will be too soon for Kotoko to give him the offer to play at Kotoko, because he just finished the Blasters job. I think he will be looking to learn more before venturing into a new coaching role very soon. So I think we should let Akonnor rest for now. He's been through a lot, and I think this is not the right time to call him back at Kotoko. So the number one person here that is favorite for the job is Prosperity. I've spoken to Prosperity a few times. I've spoken to him at a press conference, and after the game I congratulated him in one game they played at the Accra Sports Stadium. I think he knows what he wants and all that. I think he's a promising coach. Like, he has intellect when it comes to tactical discipline and all that. I think he's promising. I'm not saying that he's the best coach. I'm just saying he's promising. I've seen some glimpse of display at the ending of the Ghana Premier League season last season, and Wafa were very, very good. So I think Prosperity is promising, and I'm hoping he gets the job at Kotoko, and I'm hoping to see him at the preseason and eventually at the Ghana Premier League season. So I think that's all for today. If you haven't subscribed, do it right now and hit that notification bell. I'd like to know your thoughts about Akonnor, obviously, about Barreto returning, and also about Prosperity. Put that in the comment section and tell me what you think. I think that's all for today. My name is Clinton Little. Till next time, guys. Goodbye.